leaving Chicago. So let's say goodbye to Chicago and hello to Wisconsin.
It's not Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
Yes, it is.
Wisconsin. Wisconsin. Whew, nice. All right, so we've been driving for about 2.5 hours. Still have not hit Wisconsin. So hopefully we'll be there soon, but we stopped at a cool gas station called Casey's. Hit some fuel. It's the cheapest around $3.59. Gonna go get some goodies, get back on the road, and we'll be there soon.
On a little heritage tour. Got Mom on phone to see her grandparents, my great-grandparents' gravesite, and my grandfather. He was that little trench right here, Mom says. My grandmother came up here and dug deep down in here and spread his ashes right at the front of the gravesite of his parents. His parents were immigrants from Prussia, Germany, and made a life here in Platteville.
Actually, great-grandpa was. Grandpa was born in Wisconsin.
Pretty cool. And come back.
Who's ready to go in the cave? You ready to go in the cave?
No. Yes. I see t-shirts over there. I don't see hoodies. Where?
That's how you know you're getting old, when your 14th year anniversary, 14, you spend that Cave of the Mounds.
Gonna eat some cheese curds. First time caver. I heard you shout.
First time caver, that's me.
First time caver's on your not. Bed down. That's a wrap.